Hello, friends! Welcome to the flower quiz. Are you ready to see how many flowers you can identify? Let's bloom into the fun!
Can you identify this flower? This is rose. Okay. Can you find the hidden bee? Before the timer runs out. Oh, it's here. Okay, next question. Is this jasmine, sunflower, or petunia? It's sunflower. The next one. Is this hibiscus, jasmine, or tulip? This is tulip. Okay, identify this flower. Water lily, daisy, or lily? This is daisy. The next one. Is this lotus, lily, or marigold? Lotus. Okay, spot the different flower. Look carefully. Here it is. What's your guess for this flower? Zinnia, jasmine, or lily? Yes, it's lily. What about this one? This is easy. We all know this one. Hibiscus. What about this one? I'm sure you know this. It's marigold. The next one. Lily, jasmine, or duckweed? This is jasmine. Okay, the next one. Orchid, cherry blossom, or poppy? This is orchid. Identify this flower. Is this poppy, jasmine, or cherry blossom? It's cherry blossom. Okay, find the ladybug. Look carefully. Oh, it's here. Can you identify this flower? Is it peony, daffodil, or magnolia? Daffodil. Can you identify this flower? Carnation, aster, or cosmos? It's carnation. What about this one? Is it iris, lavender, or pondweed? I love this one, lavender. Okay. Is this orchid, peony, or poppy? It's peony. What's your guess for this flower? Poppy, peony, or magnolia? It's magnolia. Which shadow matches the flower? Look carefully to the minute details. The third one. Can you identify this flower? Iris, zinnia, or hydrangea? It's zinnia. What about this one? Hydrangea, aster, or cosmos? It's hydrangea. Can you identify this one? Iris, Gerbera daisy, or petunia? It's Gerbera daisy. The last one. Is this orchid, snapdragon, or camellia? It's snapdragon.
Fantastic job! You made it to the end of our flower quiz. How many flowers did you guess correctly? I hope you had lots of fun learning about these beautiful blooms. Whether you scored 5, 10, 15, or a perfect 20, you did an awesome job. Keep exploring nature, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next quiz. Bye-bye! Wait! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's learn with glory!